Hello YouTube, just a quick little video from the Houleigan to show off basically what you'd call Christmas presents from my parents, because I don't really celebrate Christmas. But anyways, I picked up, they gave me some money to just have some fun. So I picked up a WL Toys 144001, I think it's called. Anyways, really nice buggy. 4-wheel drive. I'll definitely have video of it tomorrow. I'm gonna take it with me to my nephews and my sisters, and we got my nephew a, can't remember what it is. It's a 1/18 scale monster truck, I think it is, or a truggy. Anyways, also, as you can see, this kit, Tamiya Avante Mark II. Now, we would say, some people say, why would you get that? Because I've always wanted one. So I ordered one. Came from Japan in like a wicked time. It's estimated for the 23rd. It showed up 2 weeks early. And sitting on top of it, this is a ESC, and this. And no, this is not the axe. This is, I picked this up for cheap. Look at this. It's all foamy off here. Brushless, waterproof, 3650 to 3900 kilovolts. You think that'll be okay in that, or you think it'll destroy the gears? I don't know. It was $50 for the set, so I figured why not try it. Anyways, the only thing that didn't show up yet is I ordered a Radio Link RC6GS controller, and it only hit the wherever it shipped from. It hit the west coast of Canada like last Friday. So it's got to come all the way across the country to get to me. Anyways, that's just what I got, and obviously I'll be doing videos. I have to install all that stuff in my Gen 8, and then I have the Avante kit to put together. So let me know if you want me to do a build video, watching me do it, or just build it and show it to you guys, or I don't know. This is new to me, so at least this one will turn out better on my cell phone. So have a good night, have a good day whenever you're watching this. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and hope you guys got some RC stuff and have some fun out there. Later.